Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Jean LAURICE Castillo taking the course of B.Ed in Daraga Community College. And for today's video, I'm going to show you a day in my life as a student in the new normal. The weather is so nice and clear. Today is Thursday and I'm going to buy some things I need to use in my online classes. But before something else, I'm going to do my morning routine. Since I'm a future educator, so I should look presentable. Not just as a future educator, but for myself. So before I tell to you guys what I'm going to buy, I have someone with me, my blockmates, Razel, Crystal, Teresa, and Jaylord. Without further ado, let's get started. So we're here at the National Bookstore. So what I need is notebooks, book format, ball pens, and highlighters. It's already 4 p.m. in the afternoon, so we're going home now. See you again, mates. I'm home and here's what I bought. And because we have activity in our subject, purposive communication, we're going to make a poster about multicultural communication. It's already 7 p.m. and the due date is for tomorrow, so I'll make it today. It's almost 9, so I should eat dinner first and have a break for 10 minutes.
A few minutes later.
And I'm done. So here what I did in our poster making. Just simple poster, but at least it conveyed the message. After that, I read our upcoming report next week, and by tomorrow I'll just make a summary and a PowerPoint presentation. So that's it. That's the end of my day as a student in this new normal. Hope you like it and enjoy this video. As I end this video, I have some quote to tell you. Enjoy little things in your life because it has a big and great memories that never fades. Thank you so much for watching.